Ever felt that little knot of anxiety in your stomach when trying to move your precious crypto? You're not alone. The world of digital assets can feel a bit like navigating a spaceship sometimes, especially when you're dealing with the crucial task of sending your holdings securely. Now, if you're rocking an ELLIPAL Titan, Titan Mini, or Titan Pocket, fantastic choice. These hardware wallets are like Fort Knox for your crypto, prioritizing security above all else. But even the most secure vault needs a way to open its doors when you want to make a transaction. So, the big question is, how exactly do you send your crypto from your trusty ELLIPAL device? It's a process that might seem daunting at first glance, but trust me, once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. Think of your ELLIPAL hardware wallet as the secure storage unit for your crypto's private keys, the secret codes that allow you to authorize transactions. Because these keys never leave the device, your assets remain incredibly safe. To send crypto, you'll need to interact with the ELLIPAL app on your smartphone, which acts as the intermediary to broadcast your transaction to the blockchain. Let's break down the steps involved. First things first, make sure your ELLIPAL hardware wallet is powered on and unlocked. You'll also need your ELLIPAL app open and paired with your device. This pairing process establishes a secure communication channel between your hardware wallet and your phone. Once you're in the app, navigate to the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. Let's say, for example, you want to send some Bitcoin. Tap on your Bitcoin wallet within the app. You should see options like Receive, Send, and Transaction History. Naturally, you'll want to tap on Send. Now comes the crucial part, entering the recipient's address. This is like the digital mailing address for the person or service you're sending crypto to. Double-check, triple-check, and even quadruple-check this address. Sending crypto to the wrong address can unfortunately result in permanent loss of funds, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Many apps, including ELLIPAL, offer the option to scan a QR code containing the recipient's address, which significantly reduces the risk of typos. Always use this feature if it's available. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of crypto you want to send. Carefully enter the desired amount. Keep an eye on any available balance displayed to ensure you have sufficient funds. Now, you might see an option related to network fees, often referred to as gas fees, especially on networks like Ethereum. These fees are paid to the blockchain network to process your transaction. The higher the fee you pay, generally the faster your transaction will be confirmed. The ELLIPAL app usually suggests an appropriate fee based on current network conditions, but you might have the option to adjust it. Be mindful of setting a fee too low, as it could result in a very slow or even stuck transaction. Before you finalize everything, take one last, very careful look at all the details, the recipient's address, the amount, and the network fee. Once you're absolutely certain everything is correct, it's time to initiate the signing process on your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. The ELLIPAL app will display a transaction summary and prompt you to verify the details on your physical device. This is a critical security step. Your hardware wallet will show you the recipient's address and the transaction amount on its screen. Manually confirm that these details match what you entered in the app. If everything looks good, you'll use the buttons on your ELLIPAL device to physically sign the transaction. This signature is your unique authorization, proving that you approve this specific transfer of funds. Once signed, the ELLIPAL app will broadcast the transaction to the blockchain network. You'll usually see a transaction sent or similar confirmation message in the app. You can then track the progress of your transaction on a block explorer using the transaction ID, also known as a TXID or hash, provided by the app. It will take some time for the transaction to be confirmed by the network, depending on the blockchain and the network fees. And that's essentially it. You've successfully sent crypto from your secure ELLIPAL hardware wallet. Remember, the key takeaways are to always double-check the recipient's address, understand network fees, and meticulously verify the transaction details on your physical ELLIPAL device before signing. Taking these precautions will ensure your crypto journeys are safe and sound. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.